In our previous video, we have seen how to create a React.js app, and we have added the text "Welcome to Core Canvas." So in today's episode, we are going to see how to create a form using React hook form and how to validate the form using React hook form. Okay, to do that, first of all, let us create a component folder. Create a folder named components. Okay. In the component folder, let us create a component called myform.js. Okay. Now, uh, the first thing we need to do is we need to import React from React. Okay. And let us create a component named myform. So what it returns is basically it will return the form which we want to show. Okay, let us give the heading for this. Let us save this and check. Okay, we have created a component, but to be able to view this component, we have to add it to the main app.js file. So the component which we are using is my form. Okay, where do we have to import is the from import my form from components folder slash my form. Okay. We have to export this one or else we can't use it. Export my form, export default my form. Okay, now let's save and check. Okay, now we can see both the text and my form. Let us create a form. Uh, let's have a label as first name. Okay, let's have another label called second name. And let's have a third label as age. Let's have this break line so that we can see more easily. Add this break. Okay, now let us add the inputs for these things. What is the type of the first name is? It's basically a string. Second name, it is also a string. What is the type of variables? It's number. In JavaScript, we have only number, no integer, nothing. schema. Okay, and hit save. Just give it in the correct order. First name, give the break here. Similarly, give the break after the input. And give the break after the input. It is also give a button for it. Type is equal to submit. And let's give the name for this button as well. The name is submit. Okay. Now this is just a normal form which doesn't have any validations, and we are not using any React hook form. Okay. Now let us install a React hook form. Okay. npm install React hook form. So we have installed this. Let us import this. Okay. Import use from React hook form. Okay. So basically this is the hook provided by the React hook forms. Okay. Now that we have imported useForm, let us start using this. So first of all, I will destructure this useForm function. Okay. Let us first try to use register from useForm. Okay. I have started restructuring the register from the useForm. Now the thing which we need to do is we have to register first name, second name, and age. Okay. So to do the register, what we have to do is spread the register and pass the name which you want to use for this. Suppose for the first name, I need to use the name F name. Okay. In a similar way, for the second name, I want to register this as second name, S name. Okay. And age, coming to age, I also want to use this as age. We have registered, okay, it's three dots actually, spread operator. Now I have registered all the three fields using React hook form and use form hook. Okay. Now if we go to here and check, nothing will happen because you haven't done anything after submitting. Even if you give anything here, okay, nothing will happen. So we have to handle this form actually. So to handle this form, we will import one function from the use form called handle submit. Okay, handle submit is basically a function which is given from use form, which will help us to handle this entire form. Okay, let us write one function on submit. Okay, what this basically does is will take data from the form and will print the data. Okay. When do we need to do this on submit function is whenever I click on the form submit. So whenever I submit this form, what the function I need to use is on submit. So handle submit of on submit. So we are handling this function using handle submit. Okay, let us hit save. Let us inspect uh, the Chrome Dev Tools. Go to More Tools. Click on Developer Tools. Okay. Now let us type the first name as Ram and second name as Sita. Age is 23. Click on Submit. So you can clearly see the form data. Age is 23, first name is Rama, and second name is Sita. So basically what you did here is you have registered the form, and when you click on the submit, right, whatever the values you have passed, this will get into the data and we are printing the data. So the main function of handle submit here is it will handle what the thing we have to do on submitting.